guys, sorry it was cut off, but I'm back. Now I already put the powder, the curry powder. The potatoes are done. Yes, it wasn't enough for the taste, so I put a little, one, instead of 1 tablespoon, I put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, just 1 teaspoon. And it tastes better now. I haven't put the coconut milk yet. Now I'm ready to put the coconut milk and, oh, let me put the other veggies. I'm gonna need a little. I need a little help of my cake spatula. My cake spatula. It's easier to use. It makes together better. So there you go, guys, my curry. Now I'm gonna put the coconut milk, and then later on I'll put the last veggie. I will put the what do you call this, the bok choy last after the yellow squash is cooked. That's what I'm talking about. See how creamy it is? That's why you don't put too much water. You want it really creamy. The curry powder is mild. It's not hot. It's not too spicy, so that is good for my husband. So let it boil and see how it tastes, and see if we need to put more. Let's see if we'll check when it starts to boil if we need to put more curry powder. But for now, while that is cooking, I have to put my food in my bowl. Oh, it's a mess. Sorry guys, my kitchen is a little mess right now. That's the way it is when you cook. Especially when you cook a lot. It's a lot of ingredients, a lot of stuff in there. Oh, this vegetable stew, peanut bit is really good. I'm so hungry, guys. There, it's a big bowl. Now it's boiling, so let me stir it and check if we need to put some more curry powder. I wish I had the coconut curry sauce in the jar, but I am out and I haven't been to the Filipino store yet. Let's see. Let's taste it, guys. It's really good. And I need to put more powder. Onion powder and garlic powder. It needs more spice. It needs more to taste. Kind of like salt. But garlic powder and and onion powder are my substitute for salt. I can put a little salt, maybe a pinch of salt if I need to. If you guys don't have a problem using salt, you can put salt. But you have to limit the salt, okay, for your own health benefits. For your own health. For health purposes, I should say. I think I need to put more, a little bit more curry powder. There you go. And let's let's wait until it's cooked and creamy, and let's see how it's gonna be. Well, this is cooking. I'm gonna put the bok choy now, because this is gonna, the squash is it cooks very, very easy, quick. It's really quick to get cooked. So if I need to put a little salt, I put just a little pinch of salt. But right now, I haven't put it yet. I don't know if I need to or not. I don't think I need it. Now let's put the bok choy. I really wish I have that coconut curry sauce in a jar. Oh, there's a lot of this. You know, some people use some of the bouillon, or in the Philippines they have this called Maggi syrup, something like that they use. Oh, this is a lot of bok choy. That's a lot of bok choy. But you know what? That's okay. My husband need it anyways. Need some more veggies. So there you go, guys. So this is gonna cook. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a few minutes, because this is gonna take a little while to cook. Okay, so I'll show you when it's done, when it's ready to serve. So I will see you guys later. I will see you in a few minutes. When it's done, I'll show you when it's done and it's ready to serve. Alright, guys, be right back. Thank you guys for joining me.